Karibuni to Aroma of Zanzibar. Today I'm going to show you how I make my very quick, simple fudge sauce. So I'm using about 2 cups of cocoa powder. That's about 6 ounces, 170 grams. You can use any type of cocoa powder you have. I'm using 100% pure cocoa powder from Tanzania from Chocolate Mama. I also used about 2 cups of powdered sugar, which is 16 ounces, 250 grams. We're going to use a pinch of salt, and I like to use coffee powder, which is totally optional, but it does enhance the chocolate flavors. And then after that, we're just going to mix it well to make sure that all the ingredients are well distributed. Before we add our room temperature butter, this is about 6 ounces of butter, which is 12 tablespoons and 3/4 of a cup. And to that, I added hot boiling water. That's about 3/4 of a cup. Now, if you do not have powdered sugar, you can use granulated sugar. Use the hot water to melt down the sugar, but please do not make a syrup because it will crystallize later unless you are very, very familiar on how to make syrup and you want to use glucose and whatever. All right, so we're just going to mix it well. Now, the consistency and the sweetness or the bitterness of the fudge depends on you, on how you like it and what you're going to use it for. So you can always add more water. I just added vanilla. It's optional. You can add more water. You can also use milk, but I prefer to use water because it gives me a longer shelf life. So you can reduce the sugar, you can add the sugar, you can reduce the cocoa, however you like. And this can be used for so many things, for desserts, dipping sauces, ice creams, chocolate sundae. I love chocolate sundae. You can pipe the cupcakes, you can fill in the cakes, but for covering the cakes, I wouldn't advise you to use this. Maybe lighter dessert cakes, not heavy cakes, all right? So you're just going to keep it in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes, and it's going to be like this. You can also mix it with your buttercream to get that chocolate fudgy taste if you want to. All right, so I'm just going to put it in my bag and show you how beautiful this pipes. All right, see how nice this is, and it's so delicious. You can just eat it just like that. So thank you so much. For more recipes, please visit me at Aroma of Zanzibar. You'll find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below and on this very last page.